Red foxes, or vulpes, have made quite a name for themselves in Australia, but not for the right reasons. These cunning predators threaten our unique native wildlife, particularly marsupials and birds that have evolved without such fierce competition. Thankfully, nature has its own balance. Enter the wedge-tailed eagle and the dingo, two of Australia's native powerhouses. The wedge-tailed eagle soars high above, its keen eyesight spotting foxes from miles away, while dingoes, with their pack mentality, hunt strategically. Together, they play a crucial role in keeping the red fox population in check, allowing our native species a fighting chance. It's a remarkable example of how interconnected our ecosystem is, where every predator has its place in the circle of life.